Hey, creators! Welcome back to AI Pulse. Ready to level up your workflow? Today, we're diving into 3 AI tools that won't cost you anything. First, Microsoft Designer. Got an idea but lack design skills? Just describe what you need and Designer creates visuals. Create marketing materials and social media content. No design experience needed. Next, ElevenLabs. Need voiceovers? ElevenLabs uses AI to generate natural, human-like voices from text. Choose from a library or clone your voice. Produce voiceovers, saving time and money. Video creators, meet CapCut. This editor is packed with AI features like auto captions and background removal. CapCut simplifies video editing, letting you create engaging, professional videos with minimal effort. So, there you have it. Microsoft Designer, ElevenLabs, and CapCut. 3 free AI tools to elevate your work. Subscribe to AI Pulse for your weekly dose of the future. Thanks.